Alright, now let's start with chapter 13, the receivable ledger. Now in the previous chapter we have seen that whenever we do credit sales to our customers, we will issue invoices to our credit customers, and these invoices we will record in sales day book. And sometime our customers return goods to us, and that what we then we issue credit notes to our customers in return. And these credit notes we will record all these credit notes we will record in sales return day book. Now from these both books, and one more point, whenever we receive cash from our customers, all the cash receipts then we will record in the cash book. Then from all these books, the total of these books then we need to post to the journal ledger, and in journal ledger we will be having sales account, sales tax account, and for receivables we will be having receivable control account. And the individual balances for each customer we will record in the receivable ledger. So receivable ledger basically holds the individual receivable accounts for each credit customers. For credit customer A, we will have a separate T account. For credit customer B, another account, and credit customer C, another account, and so on. Remember, all these day books and all these accounts in the journal ledger, these are part of double entry system, the main accounting cycle of the system, of the organization. So are part of double entry system. All these day books as well as all the accounts in the journal ledger are part of double entry system. When we talk about this receivable ledger, this is actually memorandum accounts. Memorandum accounts mean we prepare these accounts so we can simplify our accounting, or this can provide extra information to us, or just to memorize some extra records of our accounts, we prepare these receivable ledger. And remember, this receivable ledger is never part of double entry system. So never do this mistake. About the topic list, first of all, the receivable ledger, where we maintain the personal accounts and which is not part of double entry system. Then recording transactions in the receivable ledger. In the previous chapter, we already seen the sales day book and sales return day book. And now we will see that how we can take their totals and individual balances and record in receivable ledger as well as journal ledger. Then we sometimes produce reports for our credit customers analysis, which we called age receivable analysis. Then irrecoverable debts or bad debts, how to do accounting for bad debts, that what we are going to look in this. Accounting for bad debts. And accounting for bad debts, again, it's a very important chapter at a level of FA1.